Hi again, everybody. Here's a quick update to show you the old Lathemaster 8x14 with a shiny new coat of paint all put back together, and everything fits good. Had to do a little work that I hadn't planned on. There was one screw that was broken off. I had to use an easy out to get it out, but got that done, and it's together and running, and the DC motor is hooked up. I'll turn it on in a minute. I wanted to show you a couple things. The biggest difference that you notice right away is it's painted my own custom mix of Battleship Gray versus the Lathemaster Tan, and the tailstock was the Harbor Freight Red. The paint is Benjamin Moore Industrial Enamel. This is the mix. They have a standard Battleship Gray, but I've had it customized a little bit to make it a little bluer. I think it looks a lot nicer, and there's the formula for it. So show you a couple things. I've got the brass blocks installed there that I showed in the first video. This is the hand wheel that I ordered. I really like this thing. It's beautiful. It's and I like the feel for it, because if you've used a lathe, you know this feed, you want to, if you're doing it by hand over hand, you want this to be consistent. So it's a really nice handle. I got it off of Amazon of all places, and all I had to do was to drill and tap an 832 screw in there so it would be stable to the post. And I got it all put back together, and I'll demonstrate for you the DC motor. I use the Cyclotrol 150. Get out of the light there. I've used these things a lot. Several machines that I've redone, some vintage machines. I really like them. They're great for the DC motors, and let me go ahead and demonstrate. Turn it on right now for you. Okay, on and run, and it's got a built-in potentiometer that controls the speed. Turn it up a little bit for you. I don't have a chuck on there. I've got a 3-jaw, 4-jaw, and a 5C collar chuck that I can put on. Here's the belt arrangement. Right now I'm running a 36-inch V-belt, and you can use a lot of different belt arrangements on here. You could actually use 2 short belts if you want. And one thing, I'll maybe do a separate video of this. I need to fix that. That's a custom arrangement that I did on the motor pulley, but as you can see, it works fine now. So right now I'm just going to leave that alone. I've got a project that I need to get to. Next time when I get some time to work on it, I do need to get the gear train together. Got the banjo. I have a whole set of gears here that I need to get set up for it so that I can have just a nice cross feed for when it'll do threading. You can cut a lot of different threads with it. It takes a little time to set up with a banjo, but it actually, you know, it's enjoyable and it works fine. So I have used in the past with my old Lathemaster lathe some of those. I cut that off. And I have a tailstock die holder too that I use for cutting a lot of the smaller tapping and threading needs. So there we have it, the finished product. I'm really pleased. I'm going to go ahead and put it away right now. I have a woodworking project I need to get to, but I'm going to the next thing, I have it ready to take apart for its journey, because I can't lift it all like it is now. And hopefully I'll get to drill and tap some holes in here and in the saddle in the back there for the DRO that I want to mount on there. Maybe I'll do another video of that sometime. But I think it looks really good. I'm really excited to have it all back together again. Thanks for watching.